biscuit? What's in the biscuit?
Hello. That was my new way of saying hello. Let's do Archer. Archer is... Can we start again?
Threatening and crazy, but that's fine. I'll hunt you down.
Everybody, well...
Motherfucker, I'm out. Make sure to lift your butt. Lift your fucking...
Wait, was it flat?
If you keep practicing that, you're gonna get it.
Together, but also pointed. So it's not like we could witch of the west. We've got to make sure that we're not like this as you go around, because it's disgusting, and I'll find you and I'll steal your shoes, okay? Yeah.